Yes, 40 rupees, right? It means out of them 25 pairs were spoiled and thrown away. It means pairs left. Pairs left is equal to total pairs are 80 minus roten are 25. 80 minus 25, it is 10 minus 5, 5, and here 7 minus 2, 5, 55 pairs, right? Now she sold the remaining pairs, means SP of 55 pairs is equal to, we need to find, okay, and here profit is also given, and students, whenever the profit percent is given and CP is also given, we can apply the direct formula, that is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP, right? Now we have we know profit percent and CP as well. Let's substitute the values. Therefore 100 plus profit percent is 10%, okay, and upon 100 into CP. CP is what? Yes, 40 rupees, right? Now 100 plus 10 is 110. 110 upon 100 into 40. Now on solving, what we will get? 11 into 4, that is 44. Okay, it means SP of 55 pair is 44. Okay, then SP of 1 pair will be, yes, unitary method, that is 44 by 55. Now on solving with the help of 11's table, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, and 4 by 5, it is approximately, that is 0.80, right? 0.80, it means B option will be your correct answer.